How to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your CapCut application. Then select New Project. Or you can also select the project that you have already done. In my case, I have selected this project. Make all the editing that you would like to do so. And once you're satisfied, what you can do is tap on this download icon or the top arrow icon. Once you tap onto it, it will automatically get downloaded onto your gallery section. All the videos that you saved are automatically downloaded, so make sure that you see all of your videos in gallery. Once the downloading is completed, simply open up your gallery and you will see the videos in your camera roll. And just like that, every video that you save from your CapCut projects will be automatically downloaded onto your gallery section. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.